If you're thinking about using Hive for your business or team, there are 7 essential things you need to know before making the decision. Whether you're familiar with project management tools or exploring new options, you'll want to stick around because this overview will give you a clearer picture of what Hive offers and how it stacks up against other popular tools like Asana, Monday.com, and Trello. Let's start with the first thing. Hive is known for its flexibility. Unlike some project management tools that feel rigid or limit your workflow options, Hive gives you the ability to fully customize how you manage tasks, projects, and teams. You can work in Kanban, Gantt, or calendar views, and it's one of the few tools that allow you to toggle between these views instantly. This makes it adaptable to a wide range of team structures, whether you're managing creative projects or technical sprints. Next thing to know, Hive has built-in automation that can save your team a lot of time. For instance, you can automate task assignments, notifications, or even recurring project updates. Compared to tools like Monday.com, where automations can get a bit tricky and are sometimes only available on higher tier plans, Hive includes them in all of their packages. This gives you a lot of power right out of the gate without requiring you to upgrade to an expensive tier. The third thing to keep in mind is Hive's focus on collaboration. While other tools like Trello can be used for individual projects, Hive takes team collaboration to the next level. It includes real-time chat and a built-in email system, reducing the need for switching between different platforms. For teams that rely on constant communication, having everything in one place can boost efficiency and keep everyone aligned, making it stand out against competitors like Asana, which lacks robust native chat features. Now the fourth thing, Hive's reporting and analytics features. Unlike Trello, which is great for basic task management but lacks deep reporting capabilities, Hive has detailed project insights, time tracking, and workload management that help you analyze productivity across your team. You can pull reports on individual tasks, project progress, or even resource allocation. This is a huge plus for anyone who needs a deeper understanding of how their team is performing, or for project managers who need to report back to stakeholders. The fifth thing to know is that Hive integrates well with other tools. If you already use Slack, Google Drive, or even Zoom, you'll be able to integrate those tools with Hive seamlessly. For teams that rely on multiple platforms for communication or file sharing, this makes Hive a real time saver. While software like Monday.com also offers integrations, Hive's ability to easily sync with popular tools without complicated setups makes it incredibly user-friendly. The sixth thing to keep in mind is Hive's task and project templates. These are designed to save you time by allowing you to create workflows quickly based on preset templates. Whether you're running a marketing campaign, launching a product, or managing a development sprint, you'll find templates that suit your needs. This feature is really valuable for new users who might feel overwhelmed by creating workflows from scratch. The seventh and final thing to consider is Hive's pricing. It's very competitive, especially considering the breadth of features it offers. Unlike some project management tools that lock key features behind high-tier pricing, Hive's core features, including automation and reporting, are available even in the lower cost plans. If you're a small to mid-sized team, you'll find that it offers good value for the money. If you're considering Hive, the best way to explore it is to give it a try for free. Click the first link in the description below to access an exclusive free trial that will give you access to everything you need to fully explore its capabilities. Whether you're looking for flexibility, powerful automation, or seamless collaboration, Hive might just be the right tool for you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to test it risk-free. And remember, if you want to dive into Hive and get the best free trial, click that first link in the description below. You won't regret it.